What does make us happy? 9/10 of our happiness depends on health, as Arthur Schopenhauer used to say. We live in the epoch of development of new biotechnologies, heyday of cellular and tissue therapy, ability to handle with previously incurable diseases. In 2005, in Kiev, the Institute of Cell Therapy was established, scientific and research specialized therapeutic and diagnostic institution, and on its base, clinic and cryobank were created. Specialists of this institute have introduced in medical practice the latest scientific achievements in the field of cellular technologies, cryomedicine, and non-medicament treatment. The Institute of Cell Therapy. Our doctors provide high-qualified medical aid, diagnosis, treatment and rehabilitation of patients with complex diseases of various etiologies when traditional means of treatment are ineffective. Our clinic is specialized in cellular therapy. It consists of outpatient department, gynecological, surgical and plastic physics therapeutic department, hospital and laboratory complex. We have been using a unique diagnostic complex, providing an overall picture of energy of the internal organs and body systems, ultrasound apparatus, which allow the most comprehensive assessment of patient's condition. Laboratory complex consists of laboratory of molecular diagnosis and clinical diagnostic laboratory equipped with modern analyzers and optical staff. The main trend of activity of our molecular diagnosis laboratory is testing a variety of clinical material to identify the DNA of pathogens of different infectious diseases. We use modern high-tech equipment and provide advanced test systems, computerization of the process, qualified staff, regular quality control of ongoing studies, guarantees the high accuracy of the results of laboratory analyses. Physiotherapy department of our clinic offers modern method of physiotherapy aid. We use electrotherapy, reflex and microresonant therapy and various types of massage. Our physiotherapy procedures are most suitable for the program of rehabilitation and disease prevention. Surgery has a modern operating system with a special air purification and sterilization of instruments. Priority areas include plastic and endoscopic surgery. Biotechnologies used in the post-operative period allow to achieve better results of treatment and reduce the period of rehabilitation. Cosmetic department differs from all cosmetic clinics and offices in Ukraine, being able to work with the extract of placenta. Today, at the Institute of Cell Therapy, on the basis of the placenta extract, we can produce different drugs for rejuvenation and comprehensive rehabilitation. We have the Beauty and Health program focused on businessmen and business ladies who are constantly facing high emotional stress. Time spent at our clinic can be not only useful but also pleasant. For this, there is a comfortable hospital inpatient department. Patients are provided with full support during the medical treatment, 4-time meals, medication, clothing and personal hygiene. We are fulfilling anti-aging, which includes the use of placenta extract and also stem cells. The joint introduction of these substances helps to achieve double effect: the restoration of insufficient number of tissues in patient's body and awakening of so-called dormant cells located in all tissues. Rejuvenating effect lasts for quite a long time. Aging is one of the biggest mysteries of nature. It's impossible to avoid it, but we can postpone it for an indefinite period of time. The Institute of Cell Therapy. You have a unique opportunity to store stem cells from umbilical cord blood of your child. Qualified staff of maternity hospital collect umbilical cord blood and cryobank specialists will extract stem cells from it. The whole process of material collection is carried out without direct contact with mother and child, right after birth and separation of child from umbilical cord. Collection of umbilical cord blood can be carried out in any maternity hospital in any part of Ukraine. After all viral and bacteriological controls, stem cells can be frozen and placed in cryogenic storage. Today, it's evident that medicine will develop in the direction of research and study of stem cells, because they are truly immortal in the full meaning of the word. Find me at least one person who never had experienced some sort of social upheaval, and above all, the turmoil in health. Of course, using drugs from stem cells will create a unique situation where we can influence the health of the patient's own biological materials. We understand that we can get a totally new qualitative indicator of diseases treatment, such as oncology, multiple sclerosis, diabetes, hematological diseases. Now you can list more than 600 different diseases, in case of which success is already predetermined if the medications are used from stem cells. As I predict, in the near future, cryobanks will be no less important in political life than oil and gas. The Institute of Cell Therapy now has its representative offices in all big cities of Ukraine. The atmosphere of elegance, coziness, and comfort is constant and typical for our clinic. Friendly and relaxing atmosphere, attentive and skilled staff are waiting for you. We guarantee confidentiality, quality, and safety of treatment. We'll be glad to do everything possible for your health and well-being. The Institute of Cell Therapy.